July 18th. It must be about 7:30, and the bed is all ready. Got my American flag. Okay. Sun is there. Nice and quiet.